All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is a show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Taiwan. This is a big box from a company called NoodleMix. There will be another box after this one that I'll do after this, so yeah, let's crack it open and see what's inside. Okay. So the company is called NoodleMix from Taiwan, and they make a noodle that is made with Konjak. And Konjak is it's like really almost like 0-calorie stuff. And I'm really curious how Taiwanese innovation will marry this product. So let's just see what they've made. So first off, here's one of their cups, and I gotta be honest, I have no idea what flavor this is. But as you can maybe see, this right here, I don't know if you can see that, but that is the konjac noodle. It looks to be a fresh konjac noodle, and then it has seasonings with it. And then here we have a box of them. This one looks interesting. This one says that they are vegetarian noodles. I don't know if that is the variety that we're looking at here. Well, we'll figure it out. Yeah, so the first one must have been a vegetarian. And this one says 5 flavors in one noodle. And this one says it's their signature noodle. I'm noticing the little pepper there, so maybe these will be kind of spicy. So when I'm contacted by a new company, I ask if they maybe have like a hat that I could wear during the Instant Noodle Recipe Time episode. And they sent some unique things, and I believe that's in the second box. So, well, first we have more noodles in there. This one looks interesting. I really don't know what kind this is. It says various types of noodles. Maybe it's like a multi-flavor. And yeah, here's another one. It says various types of noodles too, so I'm pretty sure that's not the actual flavor we're looking at here. But I will definitely find out what flavor it is. And the box didn't do the greatest during shipping. However, I don't think there'll be a problem. Okay. And then we have all 3 in a multi-pack. Cool. And they included cards which tell what these cups are. Looks like there's a Chinese sesame oil and lion's mane mushroom, a kelp and seasonal vegetable. Oh, and those are both pumpkin infused noodles, and a regular konjac with hot and sour flavor. And then here's a little imagery showing the different varieties. That looks yeah, I'm interested in this. I've never had a Taiwanese konjac noodle, and this looks really cool. And then we have this. Wow, check that out. That's pretty cool. They mentioned when I first got an email from them stuff about a traditional, I don't know if it was a film or an opera or something like that, but they wanted to send me stuff that was like the people that were in it. So I guess this is one of the things. Oh, wow. They also sent me this fancy shirt. I don't know if it's going to fit. I mean, I've been doing a lot of walking and dieting lately, but I'll give it a try. This is pretty neat. Wow, thank you. And finally, this banner. This is really cool. Thank you. Wow. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at NoodleMix in Taiwan for sending this over. This is what I'm in the whole reviewing instant noodles and noodles in general for. I've never had anything like this, and I love trying new things, and this is going to be a lot of fun. So, with that, again, thank you. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.